The importance of creative art ideas for art lovers. 1. Self-expression. Creative art ideas allow artists and art lovers to express their emotions, thoughts, and experiences. This self-expression fosters a deeper connection to the artwork and enhances personal identity. 2. Inspiration and innovation. Exploring new creative ideas can spark inspiration. It encourages artists to experiment with different techniques, mediums, and themes, leading to innovative works that push artistic boundaries. 3. Community and connection. Art is a communal experience. Sharing creative ideas fosters connections among artists and art enthusiasts, promoting collaboration and dialogue within the art community. 4. Cultural reflection. Creative art ideas often reflect cultural narratives and societal issues. They provide a platform for exploring and discussing important topics, enriching cultural understanding and awareness. 5. Therapeutic benefits. Engaging in creative art activities can be therapeutic. It allows individuals to process emotions, reduce stress, and improve mental well-being, making art a valuable tool for personal growth. 6. Skill development. Exploring creative art ideas helps hone artistic skills. Whether through practice or learning new techniques, art lovers can continually improve and refine their abilities. 7. Enhancing environments. Creative art enhances physical spaces, adding beauty and personality. Thoughtfully curated art collections can transform homes, offices, and public spaces, making them more inviting and inspiring. Creative art ideas are essential for art lovers, fueling self-expression, innovation, and community. They enrich lives by fostering connections, reflecting culture, and providing therapeutic benefits. Embracing creativity is vital for personal and artistic growth. 8. Encouraging critical thinking. Art encourages critical thinking and problem solving. Engaging with creative ideas challenges individuals to think outside the box, analyze different perspectives, and develop unique interpretations. 9. Fostering open-mindedness. Exploring diverse art forms and ideas fosters open-mindedness. Exposure to various artistic expressions broadens horizons and cultivates appreciation for different cultures and viewpoints. 10. Legacy and impact. Creative art ideas can leave a lasting legacy. Artists contribute to cultural history, influencing future generations and inspiring new movements through their unique perspectives and innovations. Creative art ideas are essential for art lovers. Fueling self-expression, innovation, and community. They enrich lives by fostering connections, reflecting culture, and providing therapeutic benefits. Embracing creativity is vital for personal and artistic growth, leaving a lasting impact on both individuals and society. 11. Promoting sustainability. Many contemporary artists focus on sustainable practices, using recycled materials or eco-friendly methods. This promotes awareness of environmental issues and encourages responsible consumption. 12. Building confidence. Creating art can boost self-esteem. Completing a piece provides a sense of accomplishment, reinforcing the belief in one's creative abilities. 13. Connecting with history. Art connects us to history, allowing us to explore past cultures and movements. Understanding the context of artistic works enriches appreciation and fosters a deeper connection to heritage. 14. Encouraging collaboration. Creative projects often involve collaboration, whether in community art initiatives or joint exhibitions. This teamwork fosters relationships and builds networks within the art community. How to make creative art ideas for art lovers. 1. Explore different mediums, experiment with various materials, try painting, drawing, collage, sculpture, or digital art. Each medium offers unique possibilities. Incorporate mixed media, combine traditional and unconventional materials, fabric, recycled objects, to add depth and texture. 2. Find inspiration, nature, take a walk and observe colors, shapes, and patterns in the natural world. Art history, study artworks from different cultures and time periods to spark new ideas. Everyday life, look for inspiration in daily experiences, such as architecture, fashion, or emotions. 3. Set a theme or concept, choose a central idea, select themes like transformation, identity, or the passage of time, to guide your creative process. Mood boards. Create a mood board to visualize your theme, gathering images, colors, and textures that resonate. 4. Engage with other artists. Collaborate. Join art groups or workshops to exchange ideas and techniques with fellow artists. Feedback. Share your work with peers for constructive criticism and new perspectives. 5. Use prompts and challenges. Art prompts. Use daily or weekly prompts to kickstart creativity. For example, create art using only 3 colors, or depict your favorite memory. Art challenges. Participate in online challenges, like Inktober, to push your boundaries and explore new styles. 6. Create from emotions. Emotional reflection. Use your feelings as inspiration. Create pieces that express joy, sadness, or nostalgia through color and form. Art journaling. Keep an art journal to document your thoughts and feelings, allowing spontaneity in your creative process. 7. Play with color. Color theory. Experiment with different color palettes to evoke specific moods. Use complementary or analogous colors for impact. Color mixing. Create custom colors by blending paints and materials to find unique shades that resonate with your vision. 8. Incorporate technology, digital tools. Use apps and software for digital art creation. Explore graphic design, digital painting, or animation, photographic elements. Integrate photography into your art, using it as a background or a focal point. 9. Create art that tells a story. Narrative art. Develop a series of artworks that tell a story or convey a message. Use visual elements to guide the viewer through the narrative. Character development. Create characters or symbols that represent themes or concepts in your work. 10. Reflect and iterate. Self-reflection. After completing a piece, take time to reflect on the process and outcomes. What worked well? What would you change? Iterative practice. Don't be afraid to revisit ideas or themes. Creating variations can lead to unexpected and exciting results. Developing creative art ideas involves exploration, experimentation, and connection. By engaging with different mediums, finding inspiration, collaborating with others, and embracing your emotions, you can cultivate a wealth of artistic expression. Let your creativity flow, and enjoy the journey.